Okie. Happy Tuesday. Oh, we got tomatoes. We got potato wedges. I was gonna fix it, but maybe I just won't fix it. Maybe I'll just leave it. I was trying to yeah, it's fine. Shards. I'm sure there's a lot of places like this, but there's this like famous hot dog stand, Gene and Jude's. Gene and Jude's, is that right? In Chicago area. Gene Jude's. I think it might have like burnt down or something. Yeah, Gene and Jude's. Voted best hot dog in the United States. Wow, that's wild. I just go there growing up. Just like go and get some hot dogs. Anyway, I'll show you this. They give you the hot dog, and then they just like smash the fries on top of it, and then they roll it up. But they have like a potato press, so you're just standing there like waiting for your hot dog, and they're just like in the back. You just see them just like taking whole potatoes and just like smashing them into fries, and that's what this reminds me of just like they're just the shards of you know, it fits in. They fit in. But yeah, this place is it's an establishment. And we would just like go there. I don't know. So wild. I swear they had flooded. I think they got flooded. This is also the McDonald's. Not that you need to know this, but this is the McDonald's that we would go to on the way home from church. little sneaky McDonald's. My parents didn't like Jane and Jude as much as my high school friends did. I don't know why. What was that? Tamales. We didn't get tamales. We got the red hots. This is amazing. But to be real, it is not easy to draw a pile of French fries. I was trying to draw a pile of French fries for bits. I'm not trying to get bits. I don't care about money on Twitch, but like I was thinking it would be a funny, like, because it's a similar shape, like a pile of fries, right? And I was trying to draw a pile of fries, and it was not succeeding. The layering is the tricky part. So like fries, French fries. If you look at images, like it's a lot of like different brown, yellow, white. Excuse me. Like lots of different browns and oranges. And then there's like this, I don't know. I don't know how to. I was thinking of a outline in yellow, and then like a lighter, like all the fries would be like a lighter color, sort of like this shape. See this shape? There's a lot of nuance there. So simplifying the fry, kind of like this image. You know, we could get that out there. Nobody wants to talk to me about my fry plans. Okay, that's cool. I can simplify the fry. So they just use like a light, what would you call that? A dark yellow maybe for the lines I was using like a dark brown for the lines, but maybe a dark yellow for the lines, and then the highlights. Oh, because you can't see it. Bad streamer. Alright, so what I was saying was this picture does a good job of simplifying chips. I go through phases with chips. I like sort of a Trader Joe's connoisseur. I like the Trader Joe's. They have these russet chips that are like kind of burnt, like they're the burnt chips. Have you had those? Those are good. Oh, warning! I'm drinking sparkling water. Pineapple sparkling water. It says, "Let me be your wing can." Yes. This is true. It's true. I kind of don't like it when they take it's just the fun. It's like the fun of the hunt, the search. You know, the thrill of the whatever. Anyway, they take that out, and then they're just like, here's all of the thing that you wanted. And then it gets a little overwhelming because, like, there's a bit of bitterness to them, you know? The bitterness can break through the salty umami of a regular chip. Anyway, there's a couple of burger places here that do, like, double fried fries. Like, they'll fry them again to get them extra crispy. I prefer that also. Look at this. Look at that. I'm trying to think if I've made French fries, like fried them at home. I've made baked fries, which has turned out pretty well sometimes. Look at the composition in this image. This is really nice. This is where my head's at right now. Like, I cannot focus on anything. Anything. Do any of you have a hair fryer? Hair fryer. Do you have a air fryer? I feel like I would know by now if either of you had a hair. Why do I want to say hair? Hair dryer, air fryer, air fryer. These look really good. I've made them really good in the oven before, but I feel like this type of fry. You can get them really creamy in the middle. Oh, like very soft and delightful in the middle. It's like people take air frying too far. It's time to check in and see what day. For me, when that happens, I'm like, what day of the month is it for me? And then there's poutine, you know? An art form, honestly. There was this diner growing up. Sugar. Ooh, interesting. Is that a Canadian thing? I don't. Maybe, like if they have a seasoning salt and it has a little sugar in it. I feel like they do that with Cajun fries. I was about to say there's a place in Forest Park. Nobody knows where I'm from. The near west suburbs of Chicago are kind of niche. But they had butter and garlic fries. We called them BG fries. BG fries. The place, I don't know. There's like a sandwich shop, but I don't think I ever got anything there except for BG fries. They're like soaked in this butter and garlic sauce. I just had lunch and I'm like, this is what's next. I just wanted to draw them. I just wanted to draw a pile of fries. Yeah. Does anybody go to Red Robin? Oh well, I'm going in. You know what? It's not taunting. It's I'm empowering you to make good choices the rest of the day. I could actually just add your stream to that, and then it would be a perfect shout out. So I don't know why I don't do that. I'll add that to my list. It's almost better without it though, because it's pure and innocent. Good decisions. You know, we're just this is about art. This is about art. We're doing research. We're doing research for art. Um and so we had to go deep into the subject and make sure we weren't missing any nuance. Um There's so much yellow, but then there's just like a little bit of. Everyone's hungry. Okay. I can stop. I can stop. I was just thinking if I could do it like in layers so that I don't have to draw individual fries. These are so pretty. They're so pretty. I think it's interesting how specific. Hold on, let's go. They got on the potato variety. Oh, don't cross it. Don't do I? Sebago, Maris Piper. Like, do we know? I know a lot of vegetable varieties from farming, but I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you all these potato right. You like? Sometimes they're good. No, I should just change it to fries. Uh, but I want to make a CSS potato for no other reason than to see if I can. Maddie, did you follow that guy on Twitter who, like, at the beginning of our, or Grat, you may have also followed them. Like everything we did, they were like, I drew this. I drew a CSS popsicle. I drew a CSS. I was like, why are you doing this? I mean, I was like, good for you, dude, but like, why are we? And then he'd be like, what should I draw next time? What should I draw tomorrow? Why? These look really good too. Yeah, I mean, probably like a dozen people. I can think of people I did coffee chats with like multiple times that I now I'm like, are they okay? Like, are they okay? Did they just decide no and kept doing their job, or were they just like mentally crushed by the pressure and needed to? I do worry about some of it because, that part in the middle, that part in the middle. Yes, same. Same. I feel like I lost a lot of people. Because some people were just like, F this, I'm leaving, and did not leave. Oh, Steve is, Steve, I should try, here, let me add it to my list. Get Steve in the Discord. Get Steve. For those of you who don't know, Steve is like one of our, I would call him mentor, maybe? I think he's on Blue Sky though. Blue Sky, I don't, what is going on in Blue Sky? Grant, you're very good in spaces. I don't think I ever talked in this space. Did I? Did I talk in that space that you ran? So there was a person that I talked to, Lorraine. They were trying to get their green card. So I'm like, did they get their green card and like get a dev job immediately? Oh, Super Lurk away. I'll miss you. Also, as usual, I was not at your stream last night because I was reading a book. And it's sort of a wild book about basically if the U.S. What do you call it? Prison system took it to the level of like, oh, we're going to make people kill each other instead of the death penalty, like gladiators. So I don't know. Should I have been doing that instead of being at the ear stream? Probably better to be an ear stream. But I'm reading it. I just like being in your stream. I think sometimes I'm not a very good chatter because I chat on my tablet and then my chats are like probably a good, I don't know, 15 seconds behind the conversation. I don't remember if I ever spoke in that space or not. The one with Brendan, I was still like salty towards Brendan, but I'm over it now. So, potatoes. We have them. The reason I was looking at them was because I'm going to draw some. Not new. I used to do like a checklist, and then I got my new stream design. I didn't really have a good space for it, but the goal today is to set up a header and footer component in this React project I'm working on with Zaniba. I don't even have to make it. I just have to put it there so that I get a little bit more practice making components. And then the next thing I want to do is do a little research on CSS art because on Thursday I do want to draw a potato. So maybe we'll try to find a good walkthrough for that. But that's not gonna take the whole time, so we might do a code war. I'm also open to suggestions. Oh. I think it's just like the time of day that I stream is just like the warmest time of day in here. It's just a spicy time of day. Alright, so let me get this queued up. Okay. Let's see. Why does it keep going up? It's like inside of a folder of the same name, which is just stupid. Okay. Whoa. That's weird. What? Run main. Maybe I didn't merge it. I didn't merge it. Okay, well that explains it. That explains it. Wait, so this one? Lemon Rachel. That has the names. I swear I did this yesterday. Merge names data into main. Okay. So now if I go back to main, there we go. Okay. So now now we got it. Our fader. How's it going? Our fader, have you ever made art in CSS, like drawn things? That boy. Like, what's the most complicated thing you've made? Like, how deep have you gone? Do you have any examples? I haven't done it before, so I'm gonna try to draw a potato, but that seems like okay. I'm gonna make some circles and put them together. Let's see. This is a clock. Ooh. Hold on. So this is a clock. What is the hold on. What is rodent? Is there okay, is there also a rat that runs? Ah, do not press this. Excellent. So you drew the clock. When I press the thing that I'm not supposed to press, when does that happen? Excuse me. This gear in the back, is that see code bin you can and okay, hold on. So all the balls are different. It's very old. It still works. It's fun. I like it. I want to see the rat. Do I have to do something to see it? Or is it gonna come back? Rodent. Delete. Assuming I can find that out by looking at the JavaScript. No. No. The most I've done animation name. Animation name. Where is it? Did I take it off of here? I did take it off of here. Okay. It's on here. I animated a title on one of my projects, which now I'm going to have to look for. I don't remember what the but it was fun. Nah, I know I can search moon. There it is. This is the most fancy I've gotten with CSS ever. Is making the it's nice. That's true. That's true. People underestimate the power of CSS. You weren't in the stream I was in where we were talking about CSS and the Turing test, right? I don't think you were there. I think that was yeah, I think that was Chrissy Codes. It's not quite functional without HTML. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you for sharing that. All right. I did delete the branch I was working on. Uh, uh. Okay. Um. Okay. So, if anyone was here, I don't know. I don't know what time is. 2 weeks ago? Yeah, not last Thursday, but the Thursday before, we made a list of startup and software names that kind of sound like they could be human names. Okay. And so, the idea here is we're making a cute little app that will let you name your baby, your plant, your cat after Lindos. Sorry. After them. So far we have a couple of Dropdowns that you can start. And so this is going to be rearranged a little bit, but this is just the beginning. And so we'll put these side by side, and then there'll be like a final location, and then then this is defaulted to 2, but if you want only 1 or you want 3, and then this part will not tell you the number. It will randomize this list and give you a random baby name named after a startup. Some of these are stupid, so we're not doing that. We're not doing We're not doing that logic today. We are doing some header footer. So I think I can just put them within components, right? And then I didn't name it. I need to make it a folder. I'm on my branch, right? Okay. Oh, not inside of header. I like that. That's funny. If the prompt was to make names that have tech inside of them, you would be on the right path. It's just the name. It's just the name. So we got Weebly, we got Haskell, we got Asana's up here somewhere. Um, there's some weird ones like Bupos, Lapella, Study. If that's not an ed tech company, I don't know what it is. If it's not an ed tech company, is it a male escort company? X. Is it also JSX? Yes. Gosef. Is that real? No, you're still playing your game. Alright. So I'm just gonna look at what we did for button. We didn't put anything in there. Is that helpful? Maybe form. We didn't put anything in there either. We're not helping me at all. Alright, so I think the first step is to import React from React. What do we think? Oh, meeting! Yay! Ooh. Good luck. Have fun. If Scrooge was here, it's our friend who had a 7-hour meeting once. He'd probably tell you that that's not too bad. It's still bad though. We'll be doing the CSS drawing on Thursday, so hopefully you can make it. Enjoy the void. The void of meetings. Alright. So just gonna make a function. Which one did I do? Function. Header. So like that. And then we do this. And then we do return. And then like that. And then you need this. And this is where last week I did a H1. Baby name. Startup. Baby name. Generator. Work. Works for cats, pets, and plants too. Alright. So we import it, we need to export it. Right? Yes. Export default. Now the index thing, I don't really know if it's necessary, but basically what we do is alright, and then we can put the header in the app. Nope. Then we put the header in the nope. Then we where is it? Then we put the then we put it in the aha. Here we go. Oh, I need all these letters, but layers, my bad. From I like a single quote. I don't know if anybody's listening to me, but I like a single quote because it just looks a little cleaner to me. You know? Alright. Let's see if I got everything there. That's a lot. Okay, let's see. Presently, this is perfect. Alright. We do the same thing with footer. Oh. Come on. Oh, come on. Ugh. Why do I keep doing that? No. Paste. This. Copy. This. Paste. Ah, okay. Wait. Okay, I'll close it. Don't touch it. import React from React. Got it. All right. Function footer. Oh, Alan is here. I've done a bit of pasting today. How are you doing today, Alan? Should we put in the footer? I think we should just do something like it is what it is. We're doing React. I think it's gonna be like how big is an anchor tag? I mean, we're gonna style it later, so it's just kind of like. Is this the whole? This the whole URL? Yes. Check the repo for more info. Okay, keep it like that. I think that's sufficient. Okay. Let's put it in there. Like, once you get the hang of things like this, they're not difficult. Until they are again. But the basics are not. Which is nice. Except for this. Where is it? Where'd you go, footer? Okay, footer. Oh, I didn't export it. That'll do it. Export default footer. Ooh, footer. I'm surprised it didn't yell at me somewhere else. Import function. Started stepping through it. Footer. The header. Ah! There we go. No, that's not it. Is footer form. Where is it at? Maybe it should be inside something else. Mm-hmm. Why aren't you rendering? Maybe I need to put this inside of something. 'Cause the anchor tag is a inline element. Alright. Let's try it. I mean, it's already inside of something. Maybe like a... Why is my HTML failing me right now? Super annoying. It's inside form. Maybe a paragraph. No? Maybe? Here, how about this? What if... Interesting. What if we just say hi? Save it. Yeah, I think it's something... Miss something else. Be real. Did I miss something somewhere else? Alright, header is working. Header. Header. Yeah. Did I spell those words right? Silly. I don't know. footer, footer. Alright, footer. That is that. That says footer. This is footer. Save it. I didn't save it. Okay. I didn't save it. It's always good to save it. Okay. Ah. Saves you a lot of problems in the end. I wish this was marked down. Bop, 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 bop. Now, where is the... Okay, closing tag auto-populate. Okay, now... I don't know why I was being a big jerk before. So let me make this a paragraph. Maybe you can't just have just like a random... I feel like you can just have like a random... You have to wrap it in a paragraph. It's quiet. It's a quiet day here in the not on Twitter, Twitch streets. It's a quiet day out here in these streets. It's interesting, like built in. I don't think anyone can see this, but React, is it React? The selector field? That's what you get. These select options have like a built-in... I don't know, maybe that's in... No, I didn't mess with the CSS yet. They have this like built-in box. Alright. So change it back. Check the... Sometimes you just gotta do things the hard way. Oi! Terminal. Yes. We are running. Ugh. I'm tired. I did not go to bed early last night. I went to bed late, and it's coming. It's coming to get me. Hold on. Does anybody remember this album when it came out? This Tom York Eraser. Looking for. I stopped it. I stopped it. Oh, In Rainbows is good. In Rainbows is good. I feel like did I listen? Tom York put out like a I feel like he put out another album. I thought it was more recently. Like a full album. Anima is the one I'm thinking of. I can't remember if I liked it or not. Let's try it. It is a solid music brag. It is also a dating yourself brag. There's nothing wrong with that. I saw Radiohead. I really, really like Radiohead, one of my favorite bands, but I saw them only one time. Yeah, it's made up. Age is made up. There's some people who are very young who, yeah, they don't act young. All right, so let's. Wait, am I on my branch? I am on my branch. Okay. Git commit. Add header and footer components. with now you're lying. The draft content. Git push, and then it's like set. It's like set upstream origin. How to set local branch as origin. Origin for branch. Git push u origin branch. Git push u origin. I guess that should work. Git push u origin header footer. Upstream origin. Yeah, it should be right. Hello. Mishokahin. Welcome. Hello. Greetings. How's your day? I think I'm done with this for now. Just like it's going to distract me. I don't know it well enough to ignore it. Okay. So this works. Nice. You have JavaScript homework for school? Or are you doing a boot camp, or what's the vibe? I am about to do. What time is it? 2:30. I'm just gonna do that a lot, apparently. Thinking about doing a little bit of research. Whoa! Something like a software engineering degree at a software college. Okay. I'm doing something like no ignoring my tasks for today by streaming on Twitch. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually avoiding my email, which is also cool. Let's see if we can find something about drawing in CSS. How to draw in CSS. How to draw shapes in CSS. Pictures? Let's go back. Let's do how to make oh, that's fun. I usually do like Node backend and React front end. Most of my projects are fully JavaScript projects, but I have done a little bit of Ruby. Alan, thanks for asking. I have been inspired. What is it called? Maybe this is a good option. There's this website called if you hate Code Wars, you're gonna hate this, I bet you. It's probably a good place to start though. Oh, you've been a Python teacher in the past. That's awesome. I have only dabbled. So so this is called css-battle. So basically what they do is they get this seems like a good way to poke my own eyes out. They give you an image and then you use CSS to recreate it. I don't care for the battle, but I want to draw a potato in CSS. I've never done any CSS art. I don't think you were here earlier. Where did it go? The hell is this, Tom York? This is like haunted house music. Someone was like, make some haunted house music, okay? Moon. God. To find it again. Seriously? Alright, whatever. Anyway, the point is, I've done some small things in CSS, but I've never drawn anything in CSS, so I was like, this is way more appealing. How is it August 29th? How is it that is a thing? Alright, I'm gonna sign up. Just one div person? Oh, I think I have seen that. Yes, I have seen that. It's not Halloween! I realize I can change this music at any time. But you know what? I'm gonna. I see what happened. I see what happened. I see what happened. I see what happened. You know what? Again. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Here we go. Daily targets are special targets with one new unlocking every day at, I'm guessing this is midnight UTC. By default, you can play today's target. Leaderboards are out. It's all about fun-filled practice. Yeah, okay. Okay. Is there a time limit? So I start with the square. Okay, I don't see a time limit. Okay, wait. Write HTML and CSS in this editor. Well, because you need divs. You need something to manipulate, right? Okay. So right now we have a square. Least code possible. I think I'm gonna be bad at this. Well, Misho, sounds like you knew a lot. You're just trying to learn JavaScript now? Alan, what is your favorite Radiohead album? So is the background of the whole thing can I make the whole background? Let me do like body. Okay. And then what is it? D669. Oh, that's cool. 9. Oops, only 1 9. EC. Okay. Extra condensed. How do you make a circle? It's JavaScript is I think knowing JavaScript and Python is a very good combination. Well, lucky for you, everything up through I think probably was it the king of Yeah, the king of trees. Tree limbs. 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 The king of limbs. Yes, right. I was not. I didn't know how to feel about a moon-shaped pool. Oh, I have it on shuffle. My bad. I feel like we have to go back. Sorry. Go back to body snatchers. I was gonna say that my favorite is Hail of the Thief. I've heard that to really know things, you should probably know some I think that knowing I know some people who love Arduinos. All right, so it's radius. Yeah, I haven't done CSS in a while. This is fun. How to make round edges. Border radius. That's it. FFF. Okay. Border radius. Border radius. SDS as. Let's see. Is it percentages? Sweet. Okay. And then I think it needs to be bigger. Sakshi, thank you for the follow. 4848. How can I oh, this is not the same white as that. FD FB F8. FD FB F8. There we go. I don't think I'm going to get a very good score if I do. I'm like eyeballing it, but doesn't it kind of feel like this is the size of the middle? All right. So let me think about this. So these two items are equally placed. So I don't know, can we use like flex to like all right. Hold on. Frame. Oh, do I have to use semantic HTML? Like, can I use it like div and then just do like frame. And then just call this frame. No, that made it disappear. Oh, because I need to do, there we go. Oh, why is it blurred out? We do not tap caps lock. So if div is, hold on. Hope someone's having a nice time watching me do this. Display, flex, and then we should do flex. I need my cheat sheet. CSS flex box cheat sheet. What's the one that makes them equal distance? Justify content. Alright, I know why this is like that now. So can we just make it like a paragraph? Or just another div? I think probably just another div, right? This is why this is good for me. Okay, now this is, so we should not use an ID, we should use a class. Right? Class. And this should be frame. And so that would be a dot. Nice. Okay. Okay. No one's watching this. Okay, I'm doing good. Okay, now. They need to be bigger. Let's see, 30? Is that good? How do you make it? How do you make it? Justify content center, and then I also need them to be centered on the page. Align item center. Maybe this one needs that also. Flex, flex, flex. It's not changing anything. Maybe space between is the one we need. Space between. Uh-oh. Whoa. I think because this is a drawing, I don't know if I can use it's centered though. This is why people I think we need maybe another div. Don't be mad. And here's the reasoning. Whoa. Okay. I'm just gonna try to think. And then if we put a div inside here, and that is the class of lens. Oops. And then the only other thing is the spacer. This line here. Yeah. It's not working. Well, Alan is being very generous, but I think I think CSS is gonna win. Scourge, I mentioned you earlier and I don't remember what I was talking about. We're just gonna have to let it be. Look. I mean, come on. So I need a lens. I think maybe you need glasses then. I good thing we're working on some. This song is amazing. I feel like I should get the it's even better now. It's even better. It's like it's exploding with color. EC. Oh no. Not truly extra condensed. Alright, and then we need the border radius. Well I just submit it like this. This is much improved. This is so agree. Ship that code. I mean, depending on which cartoon you're watching, it does, right? I feel fine. I feel fine. Hmm. And then we want an ID of I'm gonna go bridge. Bridge. Huh? Yeah. I don't see why people don't do this all the time. Did I do that right? Class. Bridge should be in the middle. It's gonna be right in the middle though. Ugh. We did this. Okay, if the whole thing is 400 pixels, the width of the bridge is probably like 200. Oh. Oh, thank you. Wait, who's even here? Oh. Thank you for coming back from your lurk to help. I did not expect this behavior. 20. And don't come back. I don't know what they said even. Okay. very right. Looks, I need a little bit wider, maybe 30. Five. We're gonna stick it there for now. Just pixels. Okay, so if that's 35, maybe 5. And then the color is the dessert is being humbled by CSS. Hello. Oh, yeah, it is a B. All right, F8. It's the same. Yeah, 5 is not enough. Okay. Let's see. Probably 320. Yeah. Crispy savory snacks. Yeah. Woo. That's as good as anything. All right. So it's interesting. Chopped salmon salad. I need to build this differently. So what it's doing is doing exactly what I told it to do. So we have a circle within another circle, and then the div, which is the bridge. Excuse me. And then the other circle within the other circle, which is not chocolate strawberry smoothie. You're all very good at this. Everybody was hungry when I started stream almost 2 hours ago. I think what I need to do is not put this within. If I put it within, ooh, you know what I should do? I should give it a z index. If I give it a z index, right, will it affect the behavior of the other I just can't get over the fact of like how those ones being so if I get a bit if I no, our fader, no. I like mine better. That's why I can't play this game, because I like mine better. It just is what it is. Is that you having a snack? Oh, nobody knows what that is. So many people get surprised. We're just eating chips and being potatoes. Yeah. All right. I mean, you can give me a hint. I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing wrong. I just don't really want to. I think I have the width of the bridge right. Is that like a slow clap? Is it a slow clap? The solution involves not using CSS. Does it involve taking a screenshot of this image and then importing it as the background image? Yes. 'Cause that's what I would do if I was coding. Okay. Well, I think Michael PC Gamer might actually have a real hint, but um I think I added an extra div, which I think I need to do. I had them in the middle and then I undid that somehow. I don't think I know if I need that. Oh, okay. If you're signed up for this, it's just the daily battle. So I don't know if anybody wants to play along, but let me just remove that extra div. See if that changes that. Okay. Alright, so then we have space between. I don't think we need space between. If we just center. Okay. Now they look like Harry Potter glasses. One div, two circle divs inside. Yeah, I have one div, two circle divs inside, and I think I should put the bridge outside. Should I put the bridge? The nose bridge is like, I'm assuming this is a pair of glasses, but it could be anything. Oh, that's not cute. That's weird. The behavior of it inside of this is not what I want. I don't want it to impact the other ones. Bottom border. Alan, are you leaving? That's a good idea. Some people will do anything to get out of doing CSS. All right. Okay. Does this have... how are you making the space between them then? Bottom, border bottom, that's right. And then It could be, oh, what order does it go in? Okay, it's the color, right? FDF. Couldn't they just made it just FFF, like, why, like, typing this out all the time, and then the pixel width, 20 pixels? Is that what it came out to? 20 pixels? Did I reverse that? Yeah, I think I did. Did you already finish this, Maddie? Did I do commas? Oh, no. That's not right. Oh, I have to write color? I haven't done this in such a long time. I'm just trying to make it up, so I don't remember. FDF. Ugh. Make it. Make it. Look at it. Add color to border. I just used to write like the word S. The word S. I used to write the word. Yeah. 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 Oh, border color is a different. Okay. I thought you could do it all in one line. Am I tripping? Also possible that I'm tripping. FD F B F 8. I should put that in my This isn't working. Oh, cancel that. It should be the bottom of the div. Border bottom, border bottom, border bottom, border. Did you get 100%? Alright, I'm not clicking on that yet. Is the div the whole thing though? Like, I don't know that I have. Given this div. Confused. I don't know that this div. We can just do that for the rest of the hour. Leah, save me. I'm sinking. Oh no. How many emails did you have to make today? I hate your job for you. Do you want to switch? No, I don't want to. Look at this. I had a good idea, I think. I really like this song too. What happens if I take it out and put it outside of this div? Huh. So why isn't that border box working? Yep. Okay, that's expected. $11! Don't they know? No. We need boundaries. No. We can't add things after lunch. It's after lunch. Alright. I'm not gonna get this. Why isn't the border working? Can we get a border everywhere? 20, 20, 20. Border. No. 20, 20. 20, 20. Do I need to put pixel after all of them? No. Leah, no. Say no. You don't pay me enough for this. You don't pay me enough for this shit. No, I know that's wrong. Where's my border? Yeah, that's not a word. Boredom. 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 This is a thing that we were forced to do 100 times. Border, bottom color. Do we get niche into that? Border, bottom color. Dynamic banners. It just sounds bad. Border, bottom color. Color. No. Nothing is showing up. Do I have it on the wrong thing? Do we need to make another thing? Alright, so this is on the div. The div. Can I inspect it? I can not inspect this like whole thing. Well, my Nightbot is like, hey, 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 hey. Alright. I think that the lens needs to be a little bit smaller. It was funnier when it was... It doesn't want to talk to you, Maddie. Just somebody give me a hint about this freaking... Although, this is a good way to create space between them. So make it pink. D. 669 AC. I kind of feel like it would use less code, which is the whole point here, to just be very specific about padding. But it might not because the I can't words anymore. All right, Flexbox. I know I can get you in the middle too. Properties. We align the items in the center. Do we need to align content? This property only takes effect on multi-line flexible containers where flex wrap is set to either wrap or wrap reverse. I don't think that will work. Nah. I think if anybody wants to do shout outs, that could be nice. You know, like, it's always nice to see Maddie in here. Matty, and Maddie. All right. I can just add top padding and make it go down there. Go down. Go down. Is padding or margin? Margin? Well, because Maddie is here too. Do you know each other? Does it do this? Oh, it has to wait. It's so slow. So many letters. No, I didn't do it right. They do have excellent streams. There we go. There we go. I actually spelled all the letters right, which is not common. All right. So if I add more CSS, I'll get a lower score. I think just in general my glass I'm just assuming they're glasses, but I think they're too small. So let's see. We put it. Just hurt everyone's feeling. Margin top. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna break some shit. Okay. How do I make it go into the center of the page? Darth Vader, you're killing me, dude. I want it in the center of the page. I thought that was align items. Center. What happens if I take that off, though? Nothing. Nothing happens. It's a different one. We're in the container. Can we align content? I don't think that's going to do anything either. No. Yes, and to be fair, that was me in school as well. But I now just brag about all the books that I read. I don't brag about it. I know that I excel in other places. There we go. I had to type that like 3 times, so now I know how to spell Madeline. Ow. Is it because of the cascade? Like, do I need to have it above that? We are nerds. You always gotta have one who's gonna optimize stuff, so the rest of us can just, do other things. I did not remind the teacher homework was due. Is that because you were optimizing things, though, Darth Vader? See, I think that school is not built for people. Full stop. If I had kids, I would have a lot of trouble sending them to school. Why can't I center this on the page? Okay. Just a little yelling. Help you out. Waking up. Mishu. Circle your own score. You're trying to get your own score higher. I'm just tempted to rebuild this without flex and just use a bunch of random numbers. Oh, but I do love the way that Flex gets it like right in the middle. I think my circles need to be bigger though. I wish I could. I'm gonna get new glasses soon. That's exciting. Yeah, I was asking for a hint. Did you hear it? Did you hear me yell? uh, all coding problems are suspiciously similar to math problems. This song is so good though. This has been a radio. This stream has been sponsored by Radiohead. So I'm thinking about that hint. Do I need this? I don't think I need this. Oh. 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 Ha. Okay. I got it. Okay. Why not though? What do I have to tell it that? Yeah. The hell is it? Okay. That is a moment for the it would just be the size of whatever's inside it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just now just add a line. Right? No big deal. Where was the line? So why wasn't this working? Alright, that needs to be like a little bit wider. right? Hold on, I'm thinking. They're a little bit bigger. Border style. Fuck. Border style. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It, and if it's just bottom. Wait, is it border bottom style? No. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna have a great time drawing a potato on Thursday. Yeah. Oh. Wait, wouldn't it default to solid? No? It just defaults to nothing? That's weird. Is it bizarre how that looks like so much more like a glasses after I did that? What did I do? Why is it black? Okay. Alright, hold on, let me think. Solid. Just what? Just a div. Oh man, I made the div the whole height though. Default is none. Interesting. Mine is better though, right? Like I made it better. I can't believe how many times I've done this and I can't remember it. Hold on. You gotta do solid 0, 0, 20, 0. No? Front? 0, 0. What? 0? How does this work? I gotta do it somewhere else. No, border style is just how it appears. Okay. And this is applying to all. This is applying to all the divs. I don't know. All right, so that's. What? I'm doing a CSS battle. Yeah. But can I choose the color here? No. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Border color. Border. I swear to God, you could do border, like everything about the border in one line. Border color. You could do it in one line, right? Swear to God, this FD, FB, FD, FB. Oh my God, FB, F8. All right, now the border is white. But I want to apply this to just the bottom. I need another div, right? I need a div around. Yes. Okay. See? Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it here, but I'm on to if it's oof border bottom 20 pixels and then solid and then the color. Write the word color. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's some 70s shit. Okay, now we're gonna take that off of there. Now, just it just needs to be in its own little thing, right? Can't it be its own thing? Why did that break it? That's how you write CSS right there. I think it needs to be an ID that goes around just these. Somebody stop me if I'm wrong. Okay. Slash it. Div it. Put it. Excuse me. Bop it. Bump it. Stump it. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it under. Okay. Why does that keep breaking it? Under. Okay. Now, under is gonna hold this. Why is it there? Why is it there? Why is it there? Maybe it needs to be inside? Let me think. I made it 2 under. Alright, if it's... uh, I think there's a problem with this plan. Okay. What about this? I'm so much closer than I was half an hour ago. It's making me crazy. I think the problem is, all right, so this is a border. I think I am close, but I just gotta think about what I'm affecting when I change things. So the big old div is still 100%. I wrapped the frames in another div and I added a bottom border to that. So that height is 35% of the page. So if what I need to do is now shorten the width of the border without affecting the appearance of the rest of the... See, if I change the width, it's gonna impact the glasses, I think. Yeah. That's how they feel when they're writing their songs. And this like pushed them up a little bit too, because of the so if I could do this. No. Oh. Hail to the thief, oh, hail to the thief, 'cause I'm not. Alright, don't know how to show part of a border. Another thing I could do is give each... Nope. No, I can't do that. If I give each frame... If I just make this a line... Oh, this is a little intense. You're a little intense. Remixomatosis. That's funny. Sorry. That sounded sarcastic. Okay. I'm pretty ready for another hint. Otherwise, I think I might need to go eat a snack. Finish it later. My only ideas at this point are don't do it as a border, even though you've already all told me to do it as a border, and just make it a line. Oh, I don't know how to shorten it. I don't know how to shorten it without breaking everything. Shorten the border. It's just like moving things around. It's pushing everybody around. Yeah, I was thinking about hard coding the line. That I said that a little bit northern. Hard coding it. If I hard code the line, then I just gotta figure out where it goes. Yeah. Alright, have a good sleep, Misho. If you figure out where it goes, then we can just put it there. Is it gonna mess up though with the Flexbox? We have too much Flexbox going on, so I don't know about that. Oh, I don't know. I don't think I've ever used before or after. And then after element. After creates a student element that is the last child of the selected element. It's often used to add cosmetic content to an element. Sorry, the MDN is like so funny. Hello, Dean Bull. Thank you for the thank you for the follow. Dean Bull. Dean Bull. I actually feel like I've done a lot of better versions of this than what they had, and I think oh, sweet. That's awesome. That's great. I hope that it was that you got a good roll from the first cohort. As you can see, we are still doing the finer points of CSS over here. I got a roll, and then I ungot a roll, and now I'm trying to get another roll. Good times. We love the tech market right now. Sweet. That's sweet. That's awesome. Hopefully I will hear something soon. I'm waiting on a couple of emails, so yeah. I think I'm gonna stop for today. I think I got let's see. It's not giving as much eyeglasses as it's giving like roller coaster ride, Like we could do the loop, another loop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It would be a really intense roller coaster, but like we love it. We love to see that. Yeah, it's all good. Let's see if there's anybody out there. Is there anybody out there? I don't know. Who should we visit? I have not looked at my stats all day. I don't even know if anyone's here. Just kidding. Any thoughts? Scrooge has been in and out. Scrooge, you love CSS, right? Just kidding. Mira Chris. Oh, it already looks like a fun stream. We gotta listen to the raindrops. The raindrops, the raindrops. This is by far the best song. Well, I don't know. Oh, agile meeting. Boo. I have a lot of feelings about the raindrops. Well, I don't even think I don't know if I'm battling. I don't think I'm battling. I think I'm just doing the Code Wars, the daily. I don't think I'm good enough to battle anyone. I also don't know if I can save this. +1. Okay. All right. So I just followed her, and she's gonna be like, "You just followed me, and then you're rating me. That's cool. You're weird." People love it when you do that, right? Actually, I feel like I did that to Matty. Matty. I don't think I've ever rated Matty. We're different sides of the world. I get all kinds. Sometimes people are like, hate raids, and sometimes they're like, oh, thank you for the distraction. Let's see, raid Mira Sonic Rex. Oh, got it. You can. All right. Well, thanks everybody for coming through. Thanks for doing CSS with me or not, or just watching me do CSS and be mad about it. Listening to Radiohead and like end on this most sad song ever. No. And then I'll see you on Thursday. We're gonna make a potato. Okay, I didn't even know you were here. Wow. That was a good number of people on August 10th. Well, always happy to see you all. Thanks for coming through. And we'll see you Thursday for more potato content, more coding content, and apparently more CSS content. Woo! Yeah! All right. Let's go see Mira.